So hello, it's Alan Tree, and today I'm going to show you a website I work on since 1 month already. It's about my portfolio. So the goal of this website is to show you my skill into Python programming and also my 3D skill. So here we go. If you click on the date here, 2024 for example, if you click, you're gonna see all projects I work on. So here the last one was the Aston Martin Valo. If you click on it, it should loading. So it might take time on your connection. Just keep patient. Alright, there we go. So what's the goal here? When I upload my file on grabcad, I see that sometimes grabcad don't allow all files. For example, the FBX file, it doesn't allow it. So my goal here is to create my own website where you can see my model and also customize them. For example, if you click on the green color here, you can change the color to see how it looks like with different color. You can also adjust the lights, the light intensity. You have pretty good option. And one things very good that I like is that you can change the scene. If you click on next here, the scene just change, and also you can adjust the lights, the light intensity, the light color also. It's pretty good. And also the exposure, the shadow. You have the possibility to adjust much, and also the field here like this. And you can also change the meter, the rigidity, the metal, the opacity here is actually for the glass. If you click on the glass, you can change the opacity like this. So this one is basically to rotate the model. But if you don't like it, just keep it as you like. You have also the possibility to hide the HDR like this, and also to open the gallery and see the image I rendered. So this image was rendered in Unreal Engine, that's why it looks very good like that. So next also, there are 3 scenes. So this is the second scene, and this is the third, I think. Yeah. And you have the last one. Yeah. So I have actually 3 scenes, but maybe next time I will add something I don't know yet. So you can also show some information here. You have some important information, also the FPS. So if you click on F20, okay, this is the animation. But here we go. Spot F2 and go to mobile view. So you won't load my mobile view. Alright, this is the animation. Alright, this is the animation. So if you go back to also the animation, this is on PC mode. Okay, so if you click, so next you have the skill here. This is my portfolio or my skill. You have also some video. This is my YouTube link. This is just YouTube link of all video. And you have also the code word, but I didn't upload anything yet. About me, there was nothing here also. You have the contact. If you send an email, it actually works. You are also the possibility to subscribe to the newsletter to receive an email when I upload something new. But I didn't finish yet. Actually, I'm still working on it, and it should be available the next month, I think. the next month. So you have also the possibility to give a like and to comment if you don't like, if you like. So this is how it looks like. You have also the possibility to download. You need your email, of course, because because I need to know who are you. Okay, if you actually download, you should download the file. Alright, like this. Good. And if you want to leave a comment, you just click on comments, and here you go. You have all the comments from other guys, but also you can drop a like this. Okay, that because I already like I should fix that later. I didn't fix that, so just okay, just go back. Next. Okay, look how it's very beautiful, and it took me so much time to optimize every model for the 3GS, because I actually using 3GS, and I would give you the source code for the 3GS for lower model like I did like this, and I will give you all the code, but later, no now. So just be patient, and for now you can still download my model on grabcad here in this page. I didn't upload yet, but anyway, I just uploaded a new video I think 20 minutes ago about this video, so you should check it out. So thanks everyone, you watched Soaring 3D, and bye.